Hey everyone, so here again for the next chapter in this series about Strapi and Google Cloud and how to build a website with Next.js and Strapi. So last time, the way we left it, we actually didn't put the code on GitHub, and what we're going to do today is essentially put the code on GitHub, put the code on a development branch, staging branch, and the master branch, or the main branch if GitHub rename the master branch in the future. And we'll try to set up GitHub Action, the workflow file, to make sure that when I push to staging, it automatically push a new image to Google Cloud Run, and same thing for the master branch in production. So that's our plan. And yeah, let's start, I guess, by pushing what we already have. So I'm using GitHub Desktop. Obviously, you can use Git command line or whatever you prefer. Let's just say that this is the initial commit. I'm going to just publish a branch. It's going to be the master branch right now. And if I go ahead, I see it here. So nothing special at the beginning. I'm literally just going to create multiple branch, create development, and I'm going to publish it, of course, and I'm going to create a staging branch. Okay, so essentially you will develop only on the development branch. Once you have done the modification that you want, which means some modification locally, you have tested everything, you can use CI/CD also to test. You do a pull request from development to staging, and if everything goes all right and you have CI/CD set up, you can, like I said, add a testing to it, and you will see all the checks, and then you can just merge it, and when you merge it, it will automatically get it to production. So GitHub Action is something, well, specific to GitHub, and for that you have a .github directory. It's in the workflow folder inside .github, and then you can just create the workflow that you want. I created two different files, one that is called deploy.staging, deploy.staging.yaml, and another one that is called deploy production. Deploy staging is, as the name indicates, supposed to deploy to staging environment, and deploy production to the production environment. Really, the only difference will be the name of the service. We created a service that is called Strapi Demo Staging, and the other one is Strapi Demo Production. That essentially the only difference. I'm doing two distinct steps for this GitHub action. The first one is building the Docker image. So I'm starting by creating the Docker image, and once I got the Docker image, I deploy it to Google Cloud Run. So that's how you would do it. And the action is actually a custom one that is created by Alfredo Salzio for Google Cloud Run for you to deploy. You just need to specify the image, the service, the project, the region that you want to deploy, and then you need the service key. And the service key is a key that you can create on the Google Cloud console, and with that key you associate different authorization about what you can do and what you can't do. So for example, I will create a key that specify that I want to be able to deploy to Google Cloud Run. I want to be able to deploy to Google Cloud Registry, and all those actions will be associated with this service key that I will specify. I'm not 100% sure exactly what authorization you need for deploying to Google Cloud Run, but it's specified on the documentation. So if you look at the documentation or just online, you should be able to see it. And like I said last time, I will write a quick articles on Medium and add the link on the description for you to take a look exactly at each and every step that I made today. So this video might sometimes go fast, but you will have all the detail in case I just miss something. So let me see. This one, the service name is actually Strapi demo staging. And now, like you can see, on push branches staging. So I just need to precise master. That's what we want. That's not the image that we want. We want actually production. Here, that's not it. That's not it. You also need to set up the region to be correct. So production. And that looks good. So it's really simple to set up GitHub Action to work with Google Cloud Run. Fortunately, GitHub Action is quite popular now, so you do have custom action that has everything that you need. So now let's just deploy it. But before that, we do need to add gcloud auth to GitHub. So you essentially need to create what they call a service account. Service account name, I'm just going to call that Google Cloud Run deploy Strapi. Let's see, deploy to action. Let's create one. Okay, I'm not sure exactly what's happening right now. Just gonna go back. I'm not sure what I did. Okay, so here you go. You do have the role that you want to add. For the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna set to owner, but look deep really into exactly what you need. You can have Cloud Run Invoker, Cloud Run Admin, and you need different settings for Cloud Run. I'm just gonna put owner right now. Just temporarily, I'm going to delete that right after and put the correct one and LinkedIn and add it to the Medium article that will be in the description. So, and now we just need to create the key. So create the key. You might want the JSON one. Okay, so let's go to settings secret, and now let's add another secret. Let me check what the name was. I really don't remember. It was gcloud auth and the value. If I remember correctly, the value is supposed to be a base 64 and code. So you might want to take the data. Okay, I'm going to try to ignore the fact that my Mac is about to explode. So let's add right now the files. So add you can do something like this. Commit. Actually, let's commit to development first. Whatever. So let's do this. Okay, now you see it's building because we're on the staging branch. GitHub Action reacted to the fact that we pushed to this branch, and is going to build this image and deploy to Cloud Run automatically. So that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching the video. And yeah, if you want to watch a little bit more video like this one, feel free to subscribe. Like the video if you liked it. And I will see you in the next video. In the next video, I think we are going to start to look at Next.js and connecting to Strapi. So it's probably going to be interesting. See you.